Bali Market. I'm on the hunt for I Heart Bali stickers, and so far, no success, but it's a very big market. Thought I'd give you a glimpse into this adventure. All sorts of things. It's another hot one. Hot day. All these offerings all the time. Stickers. I want to put it on my paddleboard. Paddle.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Shopping here, yes.
Do you have stickers? Do you have stickers?
Sticker.
Sticker. Like you put, it's like round and you stick it on something? Okay, thank you. No,
Anything else?
thank you. No, thank you. These things are all over the place. You can see that. Market apparently is the less expensive place, and these exist everywhere. Buddhas and all sorts of things. Although I heard, somebody told me that you're not supposed to make Buddha in a statue. It's interesting. Ooh, this looks like some place of my stickers. Random dogs all the time. Well, thought I'd show you a taste of the Bali market, the Ubud market. So, until next time, on my hunt for my stickers, see you next time. Namaste.